Top 5 tips for properly caring for your unprocessed natural raw hair. Tip 1. Use a gentle shampoo. Raw hair is more delicate than processed hair. Use a shampoo that's free of harsh chemicals and sulfates. Tip 2. Condition. After shampooing, it's important to condition your raw hair. Apply a generous amount from mid to ends of the hair and leave it for 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with cool water to help seal the cuticle and shine. Tip 3. Avoid heat styling. Avoid using hot tools like flat irons, curling irons, and blow dryer as much as possible. If you must use them, use a heat protectant spray and keep the temperature low. Air drying your hair is the best option as it minimizes the damage and promotes natural texture. Tip 4. Protect your hair while sleeping. To prevent tangle and breakage, it's important to protect your hair while you sleep. Consider using a silk or satin pillowcase, which is gentle on your hair than cotton. You can also wrap your hair in a silk scarf before bed. Tip 5. Use natural oils to nourish your hair. Raw hair can benefit from natural oils that help nourish and moisturize it. Apply a small amount, not much, to the mid-lengths and ends of your hair and leave it overnight for best results. And there you have it.